Hello and welcome to I Am Real Estate Guru with Paula Burch Jackson. Today I am so excited to share with you some great information about the home buying process. Stay tuned. And without any further delay, I am going to dive right in and to share with you some helpful information so that you are aware of the home buying process. The first step in that process is to hire a real estate agent. Now, you want to make sure that you hire someone who has your best interest at heart. After you have hired the right agent, the next step is to have a conversation with your realtor. The realtor will clarify the home buying process, set the expectation on both sides, lay the foundations for a happy client/agent relationship, and they will also provide referrals to their preferred lenders, or you can choose to use your own. Once you and your agent establish a healthy relationship, the next part in the process is to get pre-approved. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage helps you to shop for homes within your means. The worst thing that can happen is to fall in love with that $500,000 home, only to be told by your lender that you only qualify for a $300,000 home. Getting pre-approved also helps you find a mortgage lender that can work with you to select a home loan with an interest rate and other terms suited for your needs. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage shows you are a serious buyer. Most sellers will not accept an offer unless they know that you are ready to go to the closing table. Now be sure to shop around for the lender that is best for you. Shopping around enables you to compare all in costs and get the best deal. By comparing lenders, you may be able to save, on average, $430 in interest in the first year of home ownership alone. That is huge. Mythbusters. Often first-time home buyers are a little reluctant to allow multiple lenders to pull their credit for fear that it may lower their credit score. Getting approved by multiple lenders will not hurt your credit score. A lender's request to review your credit report counts as a hard inquiry, and hard inquiries can lower your credit score if they are a result of trying to open a bunch of new credit lines in a short time. But multiple hard inquiries as a result of rate shopping for a home loan generally does not hurt your credit. However, it is a good idea to make sure that you do your rate shopping within a 30-day period. Next, let's discuss what you need to get pre-approved. The first thing you're going to need is proof of income. That is your two most recent pay stub and your W-2. You'll want to provide proof of asset. The lender wants to see that you have funds set aside to cover at least your down payment. You also want to have good credit. Now, there are some lenders that can work with you with a credit score as low as 580. However, remember, the higher the credit score, the better the interest rate. You also want to provide employment verification. They want to make sure that you are currently still employed and that you will have the means to continue to stay in your home once you're approved. The last is proof of identity. That is typically your driver's license or your social security card. Your lender wants to see that you are actually the person that's purchasing this home. Now that you've gotten pre-approved, the next step in the process is to get back with your agent and have a buyer's consultation. In this meeting, your agent will dig deep. They'll want to analyze your needs. What is it that is important to you in your home? What are the deal breakers? What are the things that you just cannot live without? They'll want to learn what's important to you so that they can set up a search criteria that will meet your expectations. Now that your agent has narrowed down what's most important to you, it's time to start previewing those homes. You will decide on the top 5 to 10 homes that you would like to preview. Along with your agent, you tour the homes that best meet your needs. You decide, or maybe the top 3. Your agent will then put in an offer on your top pick. Now that your offer has been submitted, it is time to negotiate the terms. The terms are negotiated between agents on behalf of the client, and the agents want to reach a win-win. Once your offer is accepted and your contract goes binding, it's time for you to turn in your earnest money to the holder of the earnest monies. Sometimes it may be the broker or the attorney or whoever you identify as the holder of the earnest money in your contract. Now that you're in a binding contract, the next step is very important. It's called the due diligence period. Typically, an agent will put anywhere from 7 to 10 days to allow you to get inspections done of the home. Once you get the home inspected, it's important that you sit down with your agent and discuss your finding in the report. If there's any areas of concern that you would like for the seller to address, the agent will then prepare an amendment to address those concerns. The goal is to get the parties to come to agreement in the term. Once you have reached that agreement, it's time to move forward with this contract. Once all the terms have been worked out between the buyer and the seller, the next and final part in this process is the loan approval process. This is when your mortgage lender will order the appraisal. They will gather any additional documentation they may need from the buyer. The appraisal comes back at value. The underwriter approves the loan and provides the clear to close. Now that all the details of your loans have been worked out, it is time for the closing. The buyer conducts their final walkthrough on the home on the day before or the day of closing. The attorney facilitates the signing of documents by both seller and the buyer. The signed documents are sent to the lender, and the lender wires the funds for your new home. Congratulations, you are now a homeowner. That is it, the process of buying a home. Whose house? Your house. I hope that this information was helpful. I sincerely hope you have enjoyed this video, understanding the home buying process. It really isn't as challenging as we make it, right? If you've been thinking, there's no way possible I can purchase a home, I challenge you, think a new thought. Stop telling yourself that you can't, because I assure you, yes you can. You can do anything that you set your intentions to do. You just simply need to set your intentions to do it. I've outlined the steps to the home buying process in the video. Watch it over and over again. Let it become a part of your being. And then reach out to me when you're ready and let's get this ball rolling. You can become a homeowner and you can do it this year. And I'm here to help you. My information is below. Feel free to reach out to me. If you are in another state, no worries. I've got business partners all over America, and I will be glad to hook you up with someone in your local area that can also help you become a homeowner this year. Let's do it, y'all. Together we can. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I am real estate guru Paula Birch Jackson. Make today a great day. Set your intentions to become a homeowner, and let's watch that dream blossom. Bye-bye.